What's going on, Slayer Nation? Man, if you guys are like me and you're into hunting and fishing and cooking and eating, well, guess what, man? You asked for it, you got it. This is Slayer's Kitchen. Welcome back, Slayer Nation, to another episode of Slayer's Kitchen. As you can see, we have the bacon, the backstrap, the seasonings, the cream cheese. Kicker today is the cranberry sauce. We're going to be stuffing these old backstraps right here, wrapping them in bacon, right in the pan, and finish them in the oven. Stay tuned for another episode of Slayer's Kitchen. Eating good, fat, and sassy. All right, guys, we're back. So what we've got today is we're going to be stuffing these backstraps. So we're going to start off by filleting the backstrap open. Now, get you a good fillet knife. Now, I've already filleted this one open, but you can just kind of start working your way around it, just down and around, and just keep filleting it on open until you get it all opened up like that. Now, kicker is to go ahead and season it. So, got a little salt. You ain't got to go crazy on it. Just kind of give it a little coating. Got pepper. Montreal steak seasoning. This does have a little bit of spice to it, so you don't want to overdo that also. Now, my favorite Southern flavor, garlic seasoning. Now, we're going for sweet today because we've got the cream cheese and the cranberry sauce. So we don't want to go crazy on the garlic, but we just want to go just a little bit because it's got a great flavor. We're also going to add some of the Southern flavor charbroil seasoning. There again, it's got a lot of salt content, so go light on it. All right, once you get all that, then just kind of work it in and make sure it's good and packed in there. Now, the next step is the cream cheese. Now, guys, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, okay? Got some cream cheese. It's been sitting out for a little bit. Got a little soft already. We're just going to grab it. Just grab it and press it in. And you really want to start on one side because we're going to roll this. So we're going to keep pressing it in. All right, we got a pretty good bit right there. Now, the kicker is going to be the old cranberry sauce. We're going to take the cranberry sauce and just spoon it all there. Again, get your hands dirty. Just take that spoon, help mash it down. Mash it in there. It ain't got to be perfect. It's just got to taste good. There's a little bit more on there. All right, guys. So, after you got your cream cheese and your cranberry sauce on there, you just got to roll this thing up. Let me turn it so you can see here. We're just going to roll it. It's going to be nasty and messy, but that's okay. It's going to be good. So, all right, so we got it rolled. A little cream cheese coming out right there. Now, we're going to hit it with the seasonings again. A little bit of salt. A little pepper. Same seasonings that you hit with on the inside. A little bit of garlic. A little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. A little bit more pepper right there. There we go. And a little bit of this old Southern flavor. Now, here's another kicker that we're going to use on it. We're going to put some thyme on it. Just give it a little sprinkle on there. All right, there again. Just kind of work it in lightly. You're not trying to press the insides out of it. Just kind of work it in lightly. All right, now, notice I have the bed of bacon already laid out. This is just a medium cut. It's not thick, not thin cut, just medium-sized bacon here. It's laid out flat this way, but I also have some pieces draped over because we want to completely submerge this backstrap in this bed of bacon here. It's going to go right here in the center. Then you're going to take one piece, just kind of cross it over. Center one, straight over it. And the other one, just kind of cross them over. Guys, what this does is that's gonna seal this back strap up for us. And that's what we want, is it to be sealed. So once we got it, got the end sealed, then we're just gonna take the bed of bacon and start crisscrossing. And I know some of y'all are thinking that's a lot of bacon, but there's no such thing as too much bacon. Last piece, right there. All right, guys, this back strap is completely submerged in bacon. Now it's gonna go over there in that cast iron pan for just a few minutes on each side just to crisp that bacon up. Then once we get it crisp up, then we're gonna put it in the pan, pop it in the oven at 350, and we're gonna finish it for maybe 20, 30 minutes. I've got these other ones that I gotta do, so y'all stick around and we'll finish it up in a minute. All right, guys, so we're back. I've got all the back straps have been stuffed and wrapped in bacon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in this pan. Now this pan has been on here for a little while. It's about a medium heat. You see the oil smoking. So I'm gonna put them in here. Now, I always put, where I folded the bacon, I put that side down first to help seal it. So we're gonna put that side down first. It's not going to take too terribly long because all we're doing is we're just crisping up the bacon. We're going to finish this in the oven. I've got the oven already preset for 350. So once we roll these around and get all that bacon good and crisp up, we're going to put them in the pan, right in the oven, finish them about 20 minutes on 350. Then they're going to be ready to go. All right, guys, so as you can see, the bacon is all browned up on these. We're about to put them in the pan over here and then right in the oven. So whatever method you need to use, just try to do it as quickly as possible. Slide these over. We'll go right in the oven. No need to cover them. Just right in there. All right, guys. So 20 minutes later, we're gonna take them out. We're gonna let them rest just like you would steak or any other piece of meat. Take it out, let it rest, and then we're gonna be eating good. Y'all stay with us. All right, guys. So the loins or the back straps have been in the oven for about 15 minutes now. So we're gonna take them out. We're gonna let them rest. Yeah. Oh yeah. Get a load of that right there. That's good stuff. We're gonna let them rest. Then we're gonna put them on a platter, cut them up. Everybody's coming over here for it's Christmas Day. We're doing the family Christmas tonight. We're gonna be eating good, fat, and sassy. Y'all stay with us. All right, guys. So they come out, we let them rest for about 10 minutes. So now we're gonna put them on here and get them all cut up and put them in a platter and get ready for everybody to come over. We'll start with this one right here. All right. So over here in the outdoor edge, have my sharpener. Tonight we're gonna be using the butcher knife to cut this one up. Just grab it and just cut into it. Look at all that cream cheese. All that cream cheese. That's right. Just right. You can see a little bit of pink in that venison right there. It's perfect medium rare. It's what you want. You don't want to overdo it because venison turns to leather. Bacon's good and crispy. All right. So guys, that right there, I don't know, move that bacon there. That right there is some good eating right there. So y'all stay tuned because we're gonna be eating good in a little bit. All right, guys. So what we did is we took the loin. We've got it all cut up. We topped it with some Sweet Baby Ray's, and it's all ready to go. We got the turkey, the ham, the deer, the spinach dip. It's a Christmas party here, y'all. Slayer's Kitchen. We're always eating good